Hi everyone, welcome to Tech5 Finance. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add money into your Kucoin account. There are plenty of ways to deposit money into Kucoin. I'm going to walk you through some of them so that you'll be able to add money to your Kucoin account. First of all, if you have got cryptocurrencies outside Kucoin and you want to transfer those cryptocurrencies into your Kucoin, that is going to be the simplest way to deposit money into your Kucoin account. And to do that, you just need to come over here and then come and press on accounts overview. So you just need to come and press over here. Once you are here on the overview of your accounts, you'll be able to see your accounts like over here. You can see the main account, the balance is 0, trading account 0, like the financial account and the trading bot accounts. All the accounts like they have got 0. So like you need to deposit money into your main account, then you'll be able to transfer that money to your trading account. Then you'll be able to use your trading account to buy and sell like cryptocurrencies on Kucoin. So like to deposit money into this account, you can just press like on your main account, or you just need to come over here and come and press on deposit. That's if you want to like transfer cryptocurrencies from another exchange like into your Kucoin account. You just need to come and press on deposit. Then in here, you need to come and press on deposit crypto. Here, you just need to select the coin you want to deposit like into your Kucoin account. You can see that there are plenty of cryptocurrencies like that you can move from other exchanges like into your Kucoin account. You can even just come over here and search for the coin you want to transfer into your account. In my case, let's go with USDT. Then you need to select like the network you opt to use. So you can choose any of these depending on the network like of the crypto exchange you are transferring cryptocurrencies from. So we'll go with Tron since it's the most common one. Then you'll be provided with a crypto address. So you just need to copy this address, or you can use like the QR code to scan it so that you can transfer money like through this address to your Kucoin account. So like this is how you deposit cryptocurrencies to your Kucoin account. Since this video is mainly meant for beginners, I assume that you do not have got any cryptocurrencies like outside Kucoin. So like how do you add money like to your Kucoin account if you don't have got any cryptocurrencies? So let me go ahead and show you some of the ways you can use to add money to your Kucoin account. So first of all, like the most easy one, you just need to come over where it says buy crypto. Then you need to come and press on third party. So here you can buy cryptocurrencies directly using either MasterCard or Visa card, Apple Pay, or a bank transfer. So to buy cryptocurrencies over here, the first thing that you need to do is to come and press here and choose your currency like from among these currencies. Once you have chosen the currency, like for us we maintain it as USD. Like once you have chosen the currency, then you just need to come and enter the amount in here. You can see like the minimum is around like $50. So let's say that we are depositing $100. Then here you need to choose the cryptocurrency like you want to buy. So you can just scroll down and search for the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. So in my case, we are looking for USDT. Just search for USDT. Then you need to come and press on it. So you can see that if you are to buy 100 worth of USDT using Visa or MasterCard, like we are going to be receiving around 96 like USDT on our Kucoin account. So we are being charged almost about $4 for this transaction. So instead of paying with maybe Visa or MasterCard, you can also pay with like Apple Pay. Then you'll be able to see how much money you'll be able to receive on your Kucoin account, and you can also pay with a bank transfer, which is going to be even much more cheaper. You can see like if you are to pay with a bank transfer, you are going to be receiving around 99 USDT, meaning the charge will only be like $1. So like if you are to transfer money using a bank account, it would only cost you $1. So after choosing your payment method, you just need to scroll down and come and press on confirm. Then like you're going to be provided with a bank account if you're using a bank transfer, where you can transfer money to, so that money will be deposited like into your Kucoin account. And if you are using MasterCard or Visa card, if you scroll down and come and press continue, like on confirm, like you are going to take into a page where you just need to enter like your MasterCard or Visa card number and pay for the transaction. Then around $96 is going to be credited like to your Kucoin main account. So like this is like the fastest way like of adding money to your Kucoin account. So you can go ahead and use Visa or MasterCard if you want to add money to your Kucoin account. I want to show you one more method that you can use to deposit money into your Kucoin account. This is probably the easiest and the simplest way to deposit money to your Kucoin account as a beginner. So to do that, all what you need to do is to come over where it says buy crypto and come and press on P2P. So depositing money using P2P, this is simply where you add money to your Kucoin account by the help of other people like on Kucoin. So like there are a lot of people who are trading on Kucoin, and you are going to be like working with those people to add money to your Kucoin account. And you can also sell the cryptocurrencies just using this very same method. So the first thing that you need to do is to come over here. You can see where it says USD. You need to come and press on it and like choose your currency. Like you need to put the currency of the bank account or the payment method like that you want to use like to deposit money into your Kucoin account. So I'm in Turkey. I'll go with Turkish lira. I just need to choose it. So under payment method, you'll be able to see the payment methods which these people want you like to use like when transferring money to them. You just need to pick a person mainly based on the completion rate. You can see like the percentage besides the person. Like anything above 90% is okay. Like it's okay to transfer with such a person. Not only that, you also have to look at the limit. Like what is the limit range like the person is allowing like to trade in. So you can see like this one has got a limit range of 250 to 1000. And one thing to note here, like the transactions which are going to be on top, like these ones, are going to have got like the most favorable rate. You can see like this one has got a rate of 18.76 like for $1, but as you go down like it increases, like the rate keeps on increasing. So if you can find someone on top who is offering like your payment method and trading within your range, you just need to go with that person. So I will go with the first person. I think it's okay to trade with him. You just need to come and press on buy over here. Then in here, you need to enter the amount you want to transfer to this person, or you need to enter the amount you would want to receive on your Kucoin account based on the limit. So like this person transacts anywhere between 250 and 1000. Let's say that I want to deposit around 15 USDT on my account, so I just need to enter 15 in here. So you can see that if I'm to deposit 15, I have to send like 281 Turkish lira like to this person over here. So let me just put it like 285, or yes, let me just put it 285 over here. So I'm going to send 285 to this person. Then this person is going to release 15.19 like USDT to my Kucoin account. So after entering the amount, you just need to come and press on like press order. So this order has been created successfully. All what I need to do is to transfer 285 like to this person over here. All what you need to do is to scroll down and come and press over here. Then here you'll be able to see like the bank account information where I need to transfer money to. So I just need to transfer 285 Turkish lira like to this bank account over here. So you just need to copy this bank account details and go to your bank account mobile application and make this transfer. Once you have made the transfer, you just need to come and press on mark as paid. Then this person is going to release 15.19 like into your Kucoin account. So I will go ahead and send this money to this person so that I can just show you like this is how it works. So after going to your mobile banking application or website and sending the money to your peer, you just need to come over here and come and press on mark as paid. Then here you're going to have got a risk owning. You just need to come and press on confirm. Don't worry, it is very safe to transfer money like on Kucoin P2P. But you have to make sure that like the bank account which you are using like to send money from to your peer, like it is in your name, like the name on your bank account should be the same as the name registered on your Kucoin account. That way you won't risk losing your money. So after pressing confirm and after just waiting for about 2 minutes, when you come down over here, you can see it says order complete. Like the seller has released the crypto, please not to check. Meaning like this order has been completed like successfully. The seller has released the money into our Kucoin account. So we can go ahead and check to see if you have really received the money. So to check, you just need to come over here and check your main account, or you just need to come and press on it like overview. So over here on account overview, you can see like our main balance account is now $15. Like we had zeros like everywhere. Now we have got about $15. So this is the easiest and cheapest way to add money to your Kucoin account. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you're able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye, see you in the next video.